Hi everyone, today we're revamping these sandals, the two sandals and the clutch purse. So these are the silver sandals look like, and of course, as usual, I start by telling you what I do. So please watch. We'll be revamping this purse. Stop. We are revamping this purse too. Revamping it. So you just have to open everything. Revamp for a place like this, because I can't remove this part, because I cannot remove this part. When I revamp, I'll have to cut it here, then try to cut it here to bring out this design, because I still want that design to show. So this has already been attached with razor. So first we wrap everything. So we started the revamping. We had to wrap everything bit by bit, and this is a sequence material, and I love it because it brings your work so beautiful and makes it very shiny, and it glitters everywhere. So we are still revamping. This is the sandal. We have to wrap every piece of it. All the ropes, we have to wrap them bit by bit, rope by rope. We have to wrap the heel. And these are the sides of the bag. The back of the bag. And this is the accessories, the shoe accessories. So after wrapping everything, we have to couple all of them together. Then what we have here, yeah, we put all of them together bit by bit. And don't mind the gum you're seeing there. I usually clean these things up after I've done them, and I think I've told you guys that I use fuel to clean. I also use water if the material is dirty after I've revamped it. So I try to clean. Though most times these shoes, they do not come in clean. So after revamping, I try to clean them to some extent, because they're still old materials. Just that I have to wrap some parts of it. I do not change everything completely. And this is the inside of the bag. You can see how neat it is. This has already been cleaned by this time. This has been cleaned by this time. You can see the difference between this and the ones you had seen earlier. So like I said, I have to use fuel. I have to use water and detergent at some point if they look dirty. And I really love this because it gave beauty to the work I did. I like the way it glitters. I love the way everything came out perfectly well. And yeah, for this I didn't have to do much. All I needed was just a thick foam and a leather, just to change the inner, because the shoe was still very much okay. So she wanted the inner to be a bit raised. That's what I did. Thanks for viewing.